I've traced a rectangle on my paper, and now I'm dropping the shape of money and a gift card and tracing them. You can trace real money or cut shapes from heavy paper. If you like the quotes on my money shapes, you might be interested in joining my Mindful Drawing membership, where I give you new lessons each month that have videos and printable instructions that include shapes with quotes that you can cut out. The membership offers even more, so I'll include a link to learn more in the description. Next, I smooth out the corners with a very fine tipped marker. If you have any blips outside the frame, you can cover them with a white gel pen. I'm filling the card design with the curved pattern. You can make the curved pattern by starting with a curved line and then adding more curved lines similar to the first line. Sometimes I like to start by making a curved line in the middle of an area and then filling the right and left sides of the curved line. You'll find it's easier to turn your page as you work, so you can use the natural arc your wrist makes as you draw. Thanks for joining me for this mindful mosaic drawing. I hope you found it as much fun and relaxing to draw as I did. Please check out my other videos, which include warm-ups and more mindful drawing draw-alongs.